Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by cutting power and confirming specs, safety first. Measure the LED voltage and strip length because drivers must match voltage and current. Once done, prepare the driver and test leads with a multimeter so you know polarity and open circuit voltage. Make sure to strip 3/5 mm insulation and tin wires if soldering. Now mount the LED where it will sit, test fit the connectors, and keep screws and thermal pads handy for the next steps. You wire channels in order, starting with plus in each channel. Double-check labels before connecting. If soldering, heat quickly to avoid LED damage, otherwise use quality crimp connectors and test continuity. Once wired, route cables to minimize bends and secure the driver near ventilation. Make sure to mount LED strips to an aluminum channel or thermal pad to prevent overheating. Adhesive alone often fails. Finally, tidy wires with zip ties and leave the driver accessible for final adjustments. You restore power and perform a controlled test. Apply power for a few seconds and observe brightness, color accuracy, and any flicker. Once satisfied, power down, seal joints with heat shrink and silicone, and fasten final covers. Make sure to adjust dimmer curves or controller settings for smooth fades. If something goes wrong, flicker, dim output, or color shift, measure voltage under load and confirm polarity. Then swap the driver or channel to isolate whether the LED, driver, or wiring is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.